Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kamusta? It's me, Paula, and it's nice to see you back on my channel. Today, we are going to do the quarantine pambahay makeup look plus a little kwentuhan. Okay, so maputla tayo ngayon and it's been a while since nag-makeup tayo. Hindi ko alam if marunong pa ako or what, pero simple lang to guys, huwag kayong mag-expect. Pambahay lang to. Actually, hindi naman ako nag-makeup sa bahay, but you know, just just to do something new. And wala naman talagang nagbago sa lifestyle ko ever since nag-start yung quarantine period dito sa Manila. Kasi I work from home, I do everything at home. Sa weekend lang ako lumalabas, and I make sure that I still go out of the house just to catch up with some friends and do fun workouts sa labas. Pero 80% of my life runs around at home. Still, ramdam ko pa rin naman yung changes, of course. Especially when I turn on the TV, I see people na nahihirapan talaga dito sa situation ngayon dito sa Manila. And I think ibang parts ng Philippines din meron ng community quarantine na pinatupad. But let's take a look at the good side of it. Kasi alam ko madami na tayo nakikitang negative side of this community quarantine on Facebook. Make sure hindi fake news yung tinitignan nyo, ha? Let's look at the bright side. So, ang nakikita kong bright side dito is, I know you've heard this before, but I just want to let it out. This time, it's like God and the universe are telling us to pause, slow down. Ang bilis-bilis ng buhay nung wala pang community quarantine. Everyone was out there doing their own thing, and now we are all at home. Let's not forget to pray for the people who are not as privileged. Yung tayo, nasa bahay tayo, nag-Facebook, nag-TikTok, ang dami natin pwedeng gawin para aliwin yung sarili natin, but for them, they are looking for things na pagkakakitaan nila kasi natigil yung trabaho. So let's not forget to pray for them. Okay? So let's move on to the bright side of this video. We're going to do a quarantine pambahay makeup look. And I'm just gonna use my usual makeup. Yung favorites ko na ginagamit ko lagi. I have prepped my skin. I use the VT Cosmetics Cica line. And I will put the video on the cards up top, but I can see that skincare line that I'm using right now. I've been using that for more than a month now, and I love it kasi right after mo gamitin. Anyway, it's on the video. Just take a look at it. So let's start with the base. My ever so favorite Pond's BB cream. So this one, as you all know, if you have used this before, super light coverage. Almost none. Parang it just evens out your skin tone and hindi lang siya mukhang dull. Ang gusto kong pag-usapan natin on this video is, you know, the positive things. Well, at least you get to learn how to dance on TikTok. Ang hirap pala mag-TikTok, no? You can see me try TikTok for the first time. I'll put the link on the cards up here para you can see na nagmukha akong tanga. Well, anyway, you can learn a lot of few things on the internet. Use your time productively and huwag sayangin ang araw. Okay, so maglagay tayo ng concealer. Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hour. This is the concealer that I always use. What else can we do at this time? We can clean the house. We can declutter our closet. Yung mga damit dyan na hindi mo nagagamit, pwede mo ibenta sa carousel. Magkakapera ka pa, di ba? Ako yung mga luma kong damit, binibenta ko sa carousel and mabilis siya mabenta. Actually, kahit may community quarantine, may bumibili pa rin sa carousel. Go ahead and declutter your closet. Tulungan niyo yung mama niyo maglinis ng bahay. And alam niyo ba na ma-realize niyo, pagtanda niyo, I mean, when you get to an age na you're independent and you're not living with your parents anymore, you will miss them. So this time is the perfect time for you to bond with your parents. Yeah, and ma-realize mo na ang saya pala kasi pagkasama yung parents sa bahay. Mamimiss niyo sila. Take it from me. We're not living with our parents anymore because I'm married na, and my sister is living with me because my parents migrated to the States 2 years ago. So let's put some kilay. Again, I'm using my ever so favorite K palette. Another positive thing that's happening right now is mapapakapal natin yung mga kilay natin na nagminipisan na before nakakabunot. So, kapag natapos na tong community quarantine, paayos mo yung kilay mo sa waxing salon And then maganda na yan kasi makapal. Tapos malilinis nila ng maayos. Another thing that's good about this community quarantine is magkakaroon tayo ng madaming time to work out. So, if you haven't tried na mag-workout, go ka sa YouTube and then mag-find ka ng beginner workout videos and try it out. Once you get the hang of it, try mo gawin as much as you can every day. 6 days a week, 7 days a week, 5 days a week, it doesn't matter. Basta you move. Let's put eyeliner here. Dito sa loob. Wait lang. Okay. Gising-gising na yung mata natin. Try ko maglagay ng konting eyeshadow. Let's use the BLK Face Stack. Konti lang. Kayo, kamusta kayo? I hope you guys are okay. Put a comment below kung kamusta kayo. Ano pa bang kulang natin? Blush on. Mascara. Have you guys tried yung online delivery na ready-to-cook meals from Mang Inasal, Chowking, and Jollibee? I haven't, pero gusto ko i-try. And another good thing about this is natututo tayo magluto. Ang dami-daming viral, quick meals na kumakalat ngayon, like yung homemade tuna pie. We learn how to do new creative things on our own. And it's very good kasi new skill yun eh. Hindi mo napapansin, simpleng bagay, pero uy, may bagong skill ako, di ba? Okay, maglagay na tayo ng blush on. Lip tint lang gagamitin ko kasi I want it to look natural. So we're going to use, this is from XOXO Cosmetics PH. Actually, favorite ko tong lip tint na to because ang tagal niya. Nagtatagal sa cheeks ko and also on my lips. And ang bango niya. I have a video on my first impressions when they sent me this one. I'll put it on the cards right here. I think kulang na lang tayo ng contour. So ito na lang gamitin natin pang contour. Mag-highlight lang tayo ng konti. Kill Cover by Cleo Cosmetics. Highlight tayo sa inner corners of the eyes and also the nose. Wait, maglagay tayo ng lip gloss from XOXO Cosmetics PH as well. Ang bango din ito. Nakikita niyo, sobrang glossy niya, pero hindi siya yung nakaka-irritang lip gloss. Yung sobrang sticky. Ito hindi. Magaan. Okay, this is the look. We're done with the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video that I shared with you. Simpleng makeup lang and simpleng kwentuhan lang. If you wanna share a story, you can put a comment down below and I'm here to listen to you. If you're shy to put a comment, you can send me a DM on Instagram. I read all my DMs and I reply as much as I can. Hope you guys stay safe. Always pray. This too shall pass and keep the faith. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and see you on my next vlog. Bye!
You like beamers, you like bands, 10 times 10.